Welcome to FleetProxy. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your FleetProxy proxies inside ClonBrowser in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the ClonBrowser application. From the main dashboard, click New Browser to create a new browser profile. Once the profile window appears, enter a name for your profile. Next, configure any additional profile settings according to your needs. When you're ready, navigate to the Proxy section. By default, the proxy type will be set to Direct. Change this option to Custom so you can connect using your FleetProxy credentials. Now let's switch over to your FleetProxy dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Active Proxies. Locate the proxy plan you'd like to use and click Manage, then select Generator. Inside the generator, you'll be able to customize your proxy configuration. Choose your preferred country, select your rotation settings, and configure sticky sessions if needed. These options allow you to optimize your proxy setup for different use cases and platforms. Once you've finished configuring the settings, select the proxy format as host, port, username, and password. Generate your proxy and copy the complete proxy string. Now return to ClonBrowser. Set the connection type to HTTP. Paste the proxy details into the parse field and click Parse. ClonBrowser will automatically populate the required information from the proxy string. After entering the proxy details, verify that the connection is successful. If everything has been configured correctly, your proxy is now ready to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always here to help.